Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Gurucan, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo. They just came back because they already run a deal on AppSumo. And it's a mobile first all-in-one platform for creating online course and memberships with tools to send email broadcasts and push notifications. The picture then as an alternative to Kajabi and Mice Networks. And the deal works like that. Everyone gets the same plan, which is the expert plan. And the difference is the number of email marketings per month and the bandwidth per month. So if you buy more codes, you get more bandwidth per month. Now let's show you how the tool works. Here is Gurucan, and I'm going to show you first how the platform will look like. So here's a template of a school. As you can see here, the branding. You're going to see here on the left a spot where you can install the app because it's a mobile first platform, or enter the QR code to find the app. And here on the left, you can see that you have a chat feature to talk with people. You have the webinar, plays, challenge, articles, and settings. You can see also offers of your website. And here's how your course will look like. Okay, it's everything empty because I didn't create anything here. Here is a Gurucan online school main model. About your school own settings, you can select your name, the name, description, and change the logo, favicon. Also change the tabs that your students will see. You can select dark theme or light theme and change the color selection as well, as you can see here. You can send accent color, text, menu, etc. You can switch on and off the app button that you saw on the left. So you can, nudge your users to go to the mobile to install the app or not. So you can just turn off the footer. And as a text settings, you can enter support email. You can add your CNAME. You can add pixels, your Facebook pixel ID, and your Google Analytics. You can create page here. So here's an example of page, and an example how it looks like the main page of your online school on Gurucan. Okay. As integrations, you have webhooks, Appear, Kajabi, ClickFunnels. You can, as products, you can create course. How you create course. Here's a template as an example. Just click here to edit. And here is where you can create chapter, lesson, quiz, or workout. Also create challenge. So our, tasks to engage your subscribers. Webinar, as a webinar integration, you can broadcast using YouTube or via HTML. And here is where you can add articles. So having like your only blog posts inside Gurucan. You can create offers, and also you have the email marketing feature, push notifications for the app. You can email broadcast the users and also create coupons to give discounts. Okay, so that's the Gurucan. Just presented you an overview of the tool. As payment gateways, you have Stripe, Open Bank, and PayPal. I hope you like that overview. Thank you so much.